Let's graph one period of a cosine function. We have -2 cosine the quantity x minus pi halves. This problem sets up of the form a times the cosine, in this case, of b x minus c. From this we can determine our amplitude. Remember, the amplitude is the absolute value of a. Absolute value of -2 is simply 2. We can look at the period, remembering that the period formula is 2 pi all over b, and since b is 1 here, we can say that our period remains 2 pi. So we have that as well. And then we can talk about the phase shift, which I'll label PS for you. The phase shift in this case is c, which we have as being pi halves. So to draw one period of this, I have some points here already drawn. Go up like that. It's a beautiful looking cosine graph. And let's talk about where this comes from. First thing we have is a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So if you could take your cosine function, which I have drawn here, stretch that vertically by a factor of 2, that creates the doubled amplitude there. The negative out in front will reflect this over, so that's where the hump comes from. And then the phase shift takes this cosine graph to the right pi halves units. So we've done it. We have an amplitude of 2, a period of 2 pi, and a phase shift of pi halves, and now we have our nice graph drawn.